completed the worksheets also and we completed the chapters also. The now next is revision worksheets. Okay, they given us some of the worksheets. In that they covered all the chapters which they mentioned in your book. Okay, all the things what all we have studied about the teeth, we have studied about ourselves, we have studied about what all parts we have studied about what all things we do it in our daily life. Okay, now the next is revision. Okay, what all chapters we studied now, on that they given a worksheets. Okay, we'll solve it now. Worksheet, revision worksheet. Okay, in this the first one will solve it. Just I'm doing the revision only, not going fully depth. Just we will revise the all chapters, and after that from starting we'll do all the revision step by step, one chapter by chapter we'll do the revision. Okay, now the first question, tick the correct answers. First one, tick the correct answers. First one, what is the first question? Photosynthesis is a cacti takes place in place. Photosynthesis in cactus. Okay, cactus tree. How it takes place? Where it takes place? I told you that time only. It takes place in the where? In the stem part. Okay, in the body part. In the which part, children? In the stem part. I told you in the first chapter. Open first chapter, all of you. Okay, see, can you see here? Can you see here? Okay, where it takes place, children? In the stem part. In the which place? In the stem part. This part it will take place. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next question. The first question is what, children? First answer is stem part. Photosynthesis takes place in the stem, body of the plant. Second one, the leaves of pine tree are. How it is? It is too much. What? Too much. It is needle-like. Needle and pin-like irtutade. Hengirtade? Needle-like. I will show that picture also. We have it in your textbook. That the first page. Pine tree. It is like this. Needle-like structure it is. How it is, children? Needle-like structure. Can you see this? It is a needle-like structure it have. Next one. Next question. The food prepared by plants is a kind of. The food prepared by plants is a kind of what, children? It a kind of sugar. Sweet-like structure it have. How it have? Sweet-like structure. Next one. A process by which living things produce young ones is called as. The process by which living things produce young ones is called as a what, children? Is called as a what? Reproduction. What it is? Reproduction. One prani intra mathon prani huttudukke nantara reproduction. We studied about this also. Next one. The white jelly-like substance inside an egg is called the white jelly-like substance inside the egg is called as albumen. Albumen. Odagirtaytala jelly type white and yolk. Adike enantara albumen. Albumen. Okay, these are the answers of our what worksheet, revision worksheets. Okay, you have to write this and practice it again and again, children. Okay, these worksheets will help you to read whole chapter. In this worksheet only, all portion will be covered. Like this type of worksheets, you have to revise it again and again. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ನೀವು ನಡಕ್ ಓದಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, fill in the blanks. Now open fill in the blanks. Copy this one, children. Next one, we'll move on to the B part. B part. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, the tiny pores on the leaves are called as what? The tiny pores of the leaves are called as a stomata. Are called as what, children? Stomata. Second one, the main veins lie in the lamina. Where it is? Open first page, first chapter. Where it is? Lamina. Where it is? The lamina is in the which place? Lamina. Illi. The main vein. Lamina olaga ittati. Okay. Lamina of the leaf. Third one. The water from the undigested food is absorbed in the large intestine. Where it is? It absorbed in the large intestine. Large intestine. Intestine. Next one. Fourth one. Trees that lose their leaves in the winter are called as a deciduous tree. Deciduous tree. Okay. Sorry. Deciduous. Okay. Deciduous tree. Deciduous trees that are in the winter season. Even after ella udar hogbirtava. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. Dash teeth are used to crush and grind the food. In the teeth we have three types. Okay, the molar, which are those? Open the chapter, children. We'll revise it now. Okay, which are the teeth? We have. First one is premolar, canines. Okay, molars. Okay, these all are the teeth we have. We have different types of teeth which we use to grind and crush. Molar teeth we use to crush and grind. Molar teeth. Stomata, the first answer. Lamina, large intestine, decidual, molar. Okay, these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Next one. Next main. Please copy this in your class book. Last one. The last page. After finishing your exercise, everything after your all the chapter, you have to write this also. Next one, match the following. C main. Okay. First one. They given options there. We'll write it. I'm writing only answers. Okay. First one. Water Hanich. Water Hanich. What is that? The answer will be what? Floating aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plant. Okay, I will write only water. It is a one type of a floating plant. Floating aquatic plant. Second one, starch. Starch is what, children? Starch is a photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis, first step is what? Starch. It becomes a starch. After that, it converts into the food. Okay. Next one, third main, vitamins. Vitamins is the nutrients that protect our body from diseases. Next one, fourth one, ringworm infection. Ringworm Infection. It is a fungi. It is a one type of a what, children? Fungi. Okay, in this is this we studied about that. Okay, copy this all, match the following also. We completed till C now, children. Please see to it. Which all we completed? Which all we completed? Please see to it. Till match the following we seen. After that we'll move on to the next one. Complete till this. In your classwork you have to complete. Next one. True or false? We'll move on to the next question. True or false? True or D mean right. T for true. F for false. Okay. First one. Plants depends on animal for oxygen. Plant depends on animals for oxygen. Is it depends on the animals for the oxygen? No. They are not dependent on animals. So statement is what? False. Next one. Tape grass is an aquatic plant. Tape grass. Yes, it is a aquatic plant. Third one. Mangroves have downward growing roots. Mangroves have a downwards growing. No, it have a upward growing roots. False. Fourth one. A young cockroach is called a nymph. What is that? The young cockroach is called as a what? Nymph. True. Fifth one. When a caterpillar stops eating and builds a cocoon around itself, it is called as a larva. It is called as a larva? No, it is not called as a larva. Caterpillar stops eating and builds a cocoon around itself. It's not called as a larva. Okay, again it becomes a butterfly. That time it becomes what? Butterfly. The statement is wrong. Sixth one. Calcium is needed for a formation of blood. Calcium is needed for the formation of blood. No need of calcium for formation of blood. Bacteria helps turn milk into curd. Yes, bacteria helps the milk to become a curd, and curd helps to become a what? Butter. Okay. So true. Eighth one. Malaria is spread by protozoa. Malaria is spread by protozoa. Yes, malaria is spread by protozoa. It is the answers of true and false. Only which is remaining now? Question and answers are remaining. Copy this in your classwork, children. Question and answers. We'll do it in the next class, children. Till this, what we did now, you have to copy it in which book? In your classwork. Okay? We'll meet you in the next class, children. Bye.